Okay, welcome to New Trading Week, fellow traders. So this week, I want to start recording a video about what our thoughts on the current market condition, as well as what to look out for. Okay, so let's start with looking at the Forex calendar. So you can see over here that today is the 6th of April. And this week, news-wise, it's kind of light, except we have the Aussie cash rate, the RBA rate statement, as well as this ECB monetary policy meeting accounts. Okay, so this CAD news is super important. Okay, so if you look at this over here, this ECB, to be honest, we don't know how this will really affect the market because it's not your usual ECB conference meeting. It's something else. So we have to see how the market reacts, but this is the outlook for the week. Okay, so if you want to trade, you probably focus on trading Aussie. Okay, probably after the news, you look at trading Aussie, and you look at trading into CAD. Okay. So without further ado, let's go into the charts. Okay, the past 2 weeks has been really very difficult to trade. Especially with trading your own, you kind of know that the market's very difficult, probably because the market has moved a lot. So after a big movement, what happens is that price needs to consolidate first before you get very nice clean movements. Okay, with that being said, right now what we're looking at over here is the euro dollar chart. Okay, and this is the H4 chart. Okay, so as you can see over here now, we're kind of like in a downtrend. Okay, let me just explain to you why we're in a downtrend. Okay, so there's a swing low, this is a swing high, this is swing low, okay, and this is swing high. Okay, and right now we are over here. Okay, so we're kind of in a downtrend. Okay, let me just clear this up. Okay, we are kind of in a downtrend right now, and this was kind of like a previous support. Okay, this zone over here, and if you look left, you realize that it kinds of, it was kind of like a resistance here. Okay, this entire zone over here, right? You see it was supported, retested, retested. When it broke up, it resulted in this big movement up. Okay, so price now is actually retracing up here. Okay, into resistance. Okay, if you have problems seeing, just switch to the line chart. Okay, and you can see that you can just map out this line over here very clearly, right? The peak here. You can draw another line here, which is the valley here. Okay, switch it to the line chart, back to the candlestick chart. You can see that price is now slowly retracing up to this zone. Okay, so we'll probably be looking to short euro dollar. Okay, so if let's say we were to short it here, where can euro dollar possibly fall to? First zone will probably be somewhere here. Okay, you see this pin bar here. Okay, this probably be intermediate take profit level, then followed by the recent low. Okay, so if you are able to get a nice short position over here, you put your stop loss kind of over here, which is kind of above the supply zone. Okay, we haven't really taught how to identify supply zone yet, but in the next few videos, hopefully we'll find some time to explain to you how we know that this is supply zone. Okay, so supply zone is actually different from support and resistance zone. Okay, but we don't want to confuse you right now. Okay, just know that let's say you take a shot here, and you have a take profit over here. It's a nice risk reward of 1:1.64. Okay, so anyway, that's our bias. Of course, make sure you do your own homework. Just this what we are looking at. Okay, the next currency I talk about will be Aussie dollar, because as I said, there is Aussie cash rate, right? We'll probably be trading after the news. We don't want to trade into the news because this is happening on Tuesday. Okay, so if you enter today, you probably get 1 day of movement only. Okay, so Aussie dollar has been following this a very unique pattern. You can see over here that it's been selling down, it pull back, sell down, pull back. So if you use a Fibonacci, what's very interesting is that you know, it almost always pulls back quite close to the 618 level, which is the golden ratio. So you see, let me show it to you. Okay, here it pulls back to 618 again, and right now it's actually pulling back to 618 yet again. Okay, so this is a pattern that we notice in Aussie dollar. So price actually at 618 again. Okay, and if you use the trend line, you draw it down, you realize that, oh, there's actually confluence. Okay, and if you look left, switch the line chart and look left, okay, you'll find that there's a low here. Okay, there's one here also. But anyway, if you just take this one and switch to the back, you realize that price actually spiked to the 61.8 together with this recent low, which was actually a support. Now it's acting as resistance. Okay, the reason why we didn't send out this signal as a short is because this is price at 0.6018 currently. Okay, I mean, it doesn't take a genius to know that 0.60 is a round number. Okay, it's a psychological number, and it's a very strong number. So if you short it here right now, you're probably going to face a lot of support at 0.60 level, just because it's a support, right? So I don't think it's a good time to short it right now. Okay, probably what will be a better trade would be if price goes down, right? Breaks the 0.60 level on a day close and retrace back up. Okay, I prefer to trade it like that, probably because it's easy on your psychology as well. So just imagine if you take the trade over here and price keeps just staying over here without going anywhere. Okay, then you don't know whether should you take profit or should you run with it. So to us, we like to always take trades that move fast. Okay, it's not always possible, but we try our best. So let's just wait for this. Okay, but same like euro dollar, we are bearish on this. Okay, the next currency we're going to talk about is a CAD. Okay, so let's look at a dollar CAD right now. Okay, so you can see over here that dollar CAD is kind of in a mess too. It's in consolidation mode. Let me just clear the drawings. Okay, it's in consolidation mode. So right now you can see that there's a lot of wicks over here, right? The upper wicks, and you have all these wicks. Okay, and you also see that there is a pattern, kind of like a squeeze, right? So right now for dollar CAD, you don't really see a pattern, as in a very clear sign. Okay, you also have this low over here, this candle low over here. Okay, and of course all these candle lows which are acting as a potential support. So dollar CAD is going to be very difficult to trade for this week until probably after the news. Probably if you wait after the news, you get a very clear direction on the direction, probably up or probably down. Okay, but if you must take a direction, it probably be more bullish because you can see over here that we are actually in the uptrend. Right, I mean it's very clear. You have a high, you have a lower high. Sorry, you have a high, you have a low. Okay, you have a higher high, you have a higher low. Okay, so this pair is definitely an uptrend. Okay, and we want to buy, but we need to wait. We need to be patient. Okay, so don't force a trade. If you see that there's a big candle that closes above this entire zone, okay, something like this. This candle closes like this, then you know that dollar CAD is ready to resume its up move. But for now, it will be good. It will be wise to just wait for it. Okay. So I think the last pair we want to talk about today is USD JPY. Okay. So USD JPY, what happened was that there was a spike over here. You can see over here that there's this spike here. Okay, and today price seems to be going above it. Okay, but just take note that right now the time is actually 10:34 a.m. Okay, so this week has just started, and this is the Asia session. Okay, so we don't want to make any conclusions that this level has been broken just yet. Okay, because what can happen is that during the Euro session, they just sell down. Okay, so I think today we want to take it a bit slow. we want to watch for the Euro session and especially the US session, which is the crossover between the Euro and the US session. Okay, once we see that this level is broken and supported, then it probably our buyers would be probably to carry on buying a dollar yen. Okay, so let's say this level can can be broken today. Let's say it is broken, then of course the next level will be the recent high over here. Okay, and of course intermediate level would be the 110 level. Okay, 110 level, it's kind of like no-brainer level because 110 is a psychological level, a strong one, as well as if you look left, uh, you do see that previously there was some levels of resistance over here, resistance, and then after that, it was tested just a bit, and over here it was tested again. So if we're going to buy, actually we have a good profit margin because we are only at about 108.9, and we have a move towards 110. That's about 110 pips again. Okay, but of course you have to see the daily close. If the price closes over here, right, which is maybe 109.58, and your stop loss must be here, then probably it doesn't make sense from a risk to reward ratio, okay, because it's too far. Okay, so what we want to do is want to wait. Okay, I know most of you guys don't like to wait. Okay, honestly, I also don't like to wait, but sometimes it's better not to trade. Okay, I think I lost a lot of money across my career in trading because I refuse to wait. So I think patience is something that you learn over time, right? You learn to wait for the best opportunity, right? You'll not force a trade, and I know many of you guys are, you're conditioned to trade every day, right? Your broker sends you a million trades, and you want to trade every day. But just remind you that that's not the way to make money. Okay, if you want to wait, you must slowly stock your target, really just wait for the market to come to you and not force a trade. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like this video and you gotten value, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, if you have a question about a concept or you want a particular insight about a particular trading strategy or just anything, okay, just comment in the section below, and we'll try our best to answer your questions, because our goal is to create more content which helps you. Okay, not content which just we think are important, but we want to provide content that actually helps you. Okay, we spend a lot of money on our education, so if there's something that we can help you with, we'll be willing to share with you. But we cannot share with you if we don't know what's your struggle. So comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and that's it for this video. So have a good trading week ahead. We'll see you in our next video.